Hi, my name is Jeff Miller. I'm Director of Facilities for Muscatine Community School District. In the spring of this year, the Muscatine School Board allocated $200,000 towards added security for our school buildings. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how the new Intruder lock will help keep your classroom safer. The old classroom locks required exiting the room to lock a single cord to secure the classroom, leaving the staff member exposed in a lockdown situation. The Intruder lock has two cores, one on the outside and one on the inside. This allows the staff member to secure the room without opening the door. We know that staff members move around the building during the day. This feature allows them to secure whatever room they may find themselves in. As this part of the demonstration shows, that same room key can be used to lock other classrooms from the inside. It is not restricted to just one. It's important to note that each room's key can only unlock the outside lock on the room it was issued to. An intruder would not be able to indiscriminately unlock any door they wanted to. I hope this video has helped you to understand how the intruder locks work. I would also like to thank the Muscatine Community School District School Board for recognizing the importance of school safety.